When I was 8 or 9 years old, I was sitting in my grandfather's office and leaning back in his chair, feet up on his desk, and he says, "I'm gonna tell you the secret to success. You take care of the farm and the farm will take care of you." And I remember saying, "Grandpa, what does that mean? I don't understand that." And he never really told me what it was. But I quickly realized as I got older, it means you take care of your people and your people will take care of you. Our safety culture is much stronger today than it was back 10, 15, 20 years ago. Changing that culture is not an easy thing. It takes a lot of time and energy, and it's something you have to stay after every single day. Any safety program, it really has to start at the top. If the top end of the organization isn't fully committed, it's not going anywhere. And safety is more important than profit. There's nothing we do here that's worth you getting hurt over. Nothing.
I would describe the safety culture here at Empire as item number one. Jeff Whiteman is very, very focused on safety. He makes sure that everyone knows he's focused on safety. And that's not just hot air. He means it. And it works all the way down the chain to the trainee or apprentice. Before we start or stop a job, we always make sure that we're going to do it safely. I'm just as concerned about them getting home to see their kids as I am to get home to see my wife and kids.
Some of the best safety practices that we've implemented over the last few years is implementing a new safety hierarchy. We've been able to restructure our safety teams from our executive team all the way down to the boots on the ground. We've also implemented what's called a safety town halls. These town halls have been a great way to rally and understand what's working from a safety observation standpoint, what's not working, but it also gives them an opportunity to ask our executives and our leadership team, hey, what's going on in the business? The one thing I like about safety, there's no competition, right? Whether you're in the same industry or a different industry, you're all working together to fight from people from getting hurt.
None of us are as smart as all of us. And so this Blackline Collective allows us to learn from each other. Being able to visit with other people and understand from their mistakes how we can be better is a great opportunity.